In the day 2 notes, we're going to look at two different properties of equalities. The multiplication property says that if A is equal to B, then C times A is the same thing as C times B. And the division property of equality says that if A is equal to B, C can't be 0 because we can't divide by 0, but then A divided by C is the same thing as B divided by C. If we take a look at example 1, we have the equation negative 10x is equal to 5. If I locate my variable, it's over here on the left, and that variable is being multiplied by negative 10. The opposite of multiplying is going to be to divide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the left-hand side by negative 10. And if I divide the left-hand side by negative 10, I also have to divide the right-hand side by negative 10. If I go to simplify, negative 10 divided by negative 10 is just 1. So what I end up with is 1 times x, which is just x. And that's going to be equal to 5 divided by negative 10, which is negative 1/2. Then remember, you can always check your answers. So let's go through our check step. For my check step, I'm going to take the x value that I just solved for and got negative 1/2, and I'm going to plug it right back into the original problem. So I get negative 10. I'm multiplying that by negative 1/2, and I want to make sure that I get a positive 5. Negative 10 times negative 1/2 is 5, so I get 5 is equal to 5, and I know I did my problem correct. Now I would like you to do the try this. So you're looking at negative 22 equal to negative 2x. So push the pause button, unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, you should get that x is equal to 11. If you did not get x is equal to 11, please raise your hand and I'll come over and help you.